Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, July 10th. So what do we got on the docket today? Looking at forexfactory.com for the calendar. You can see that we have some stuff at 10 a.m. of interest. Federal Chair Powell testifies before Congress once again. And as you can know from yesterday's testimony, that the market can react in multiple ways unexpectedly. So be aware, 10 a.m., Fed Chair Powell speaking. Final wholesale inventories month over month is also at 10 a.m. 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. Those were both yellow items. And the only other item of particular interest of the day is at 1 o'clock, 1:01 p.m., 10-year bond auction, which is a orange, which means medium impact. There's also stuff going on at 2:30. FOMC member Bowman and Goolsbee both speaking, which will probably not impact the market at all. But talking heads today, also after hours, FOMC member Cook speaking at 7:30 p.m. So there you have it. There's the news for the day. Taking a look at the charts, we just continue this inevitable grind to the upside. We are going to open at all-time highs. What is the pattern? The pattern is up. It seems to be inside the channel. The only thing that's concerning to me is the volume. Volume is pitiful. Maybe this is just summertime trading volume, but it's kind of ugly. ATR is also declining. Both of these don't look very good for me. I still think we're going to peak out and get ugly, and more ugly. That being said, the trading action for at least the last 2 days has been very, very anemic. Whether people are still on vacation, it's just the summer doldrums, whatever you want to call it. Really difficult trading over the last couple of days. The inventory was negative. Positive price action, negative. It was actually negative 300 or 400 contracts. And this is the second day in a row where price action was positive and inventory was down. Again, this normally suggests that the smart money is getting out and this market is being driven by retail traders. That's the way I'm interpreting it. It certainly looks like they're starting to get out ahead of a potential pullback. We'll just have to wait and see. I just find it very hard to get on board with this rally as the fundamentals just don't support it. That being said, what do we got going overnight? Our 30 to 46. So the overnight action is very, very thin. So 16 points, very thin. Normal average is 20 to 22 points. So, volatility is not in the picture either. What do we got above us? Above us is all conjecture. Okay, we're at all-time highs. Support resistance, particularly resistance on the top side, is guesstimation. So keep that in mind. What do we got? We got 56. I'm going to say 54. 56.60, 56.75 would be numbers we'd be watching. On the downside for support, definitely around 56.30-ish, dropping down to 56.1550, 56.10, of course, 5600, 55.95. Now, interestingly, if we go back to the daily here, you can see that we are starting to get well above any kind of chart support. And what do I mean by that? Any kind of consolidation band, a major rejection zone. So really this high, that high, and that low, that's the only real support that we've got. That's all the way back at 55.87. What we're creating here is the market continues to go up. It's creating an air pocket between where we are currently and where support is. And the bigger that pocket gets, the higher the risk is that we're going to see a major pullback. And the pullback will be at least to that old support resistance area And right now that area is 50, like I say, 55.86-ish area. If you break that, then you have to get back into this band of consolidation, back into the 55.29. So the support scenario is not good. And the further we go up, the further we get away from the chart support, or chart structure is what we like to call that in technical analysis. The Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 57.1. So a positive bias for today. That's all I've got for you. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.